Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Naveen with you. Friends, today I'm going to talk about how to surround yourself with English. Friends, when we talk about our surroundings, so first of all, we should talk about our family, or you can say our home, because most of the time we spend with our family, or you can say at our home. So friends, I will give you my example. I live in a village. So my family, or you can say my parents and my brother and sister, they speak Bhojpuri. So in this situation, how can I surround myself with English at my home? Friends, you can do one thing, like we have at home brothers and sisters. So what you have to do, you try to teach them, your brother and sister, what you know. Suppose that, like you can teach them like basic sentences or words. In this way, you can find a partner at your home, and you can at least you can surround yourself. At beginning, you can teach them. वहाँ जाओ को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं, यहाँ आओ को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं, इसे पकड़ो को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं. So friends, I'm just try to say whatever you know, you try to teach them, and in this way you can also improve a lot, and they also can improve a lot, and you also find a partner at your home, and in this way you can surround yourself. Gradually they will also improve, and believe me, whatever you're going to teach them, you will never going to forget. So it's the best way to surround yourself at your home. Friends, next thing we can do, we love to listen a song. Everyone love to listen a song. So what you have to do, you have to start listening a English song. But here matters, maybe you can say like when we listen an English song, we can't feel. When we listen our mother tongue related song, so we enjoy. So it gives us pleasure in our inner side. But when you go to listen English song, maybe it will not provide so much pleasure as you feel earlier while listening your mother tongue related song. Friends, but believe me, if you take these type of little steps, so it will boost your confidence, and it will improve your English amazingly. So try to listen English song whether you understand or not, whether you're going to enjoy or not. Because learning a new language, we can't bound just in a 24 hours, only 30 to 1 hours every day. Yeah, you can speak English, but if you give your 100%, so you will be a master in that language. So try to listen a English song. And friends, third thing you can do, while we free, so we used to watch Instagram reels or YouTube shorts video, or maybe maybe we watch Facebook videos. So what you have to do, you have to do also convert these mother tongue videos in English language. Since today, when you are going to watch YouTube shorts or reels, so try to search on YouTube search box English shorts video, whether you can watch like comedies or reels. And in Instagram you can also search English short video, English reels, so you can find easily. On Facebook you can also search English video, whatever content you want to watch, whether you want to watch comedy or you want to listen any English speech, so we can find everything on YouTube, Facebook or Instagram. Fourth, you can do, you should watch movie in English. So when you want to watch movie, so you watch English movie. So it's mean, friends, everything, whatever you do, whatever you like, so everything just you can say surround with English, only English. Whether you are going to listen song, English song, whether you want to watch reels, English, whether you want to watch movie, it should be English, and whether you want to watch comedies or any you can say orchestra, it should be also English. Everything bound you can say surround you with English atmosphere. Friends, I do all these things and believe me, it's changed my life. Earlier I thought I I never imagined I can speak English, but now in front of you, at least I can able to communicate with anyone. So do all these things, it will help you a lot. And fifth thing you can do, if you read stories or newspaper, so you should also read stories and newspaper in English. Friends, when child born, he doesn't born with any language. How he speak their mother tongue? He speak their mother tongue through their, he observe their surroundings, their atmosphere, and he imitate these language and try to speak in their language. So like this, if you do all these, so you are also going to surround yourself, and it will also change your life. So do all these things. These are very major steps which going to boost you, believe me. Friends, if you like my videos, so please subscribe my channel and give your valuable comment. Thanks a lot for watching me. Bye bye.